name is Bombshow. You're welcome to my it's Bombshow Television. Musha Musha Zirkupisa. If you're new here, don't forget to sign up. Tinokupedza nguva yenyu isingade kurebesa. Kana wanakirwa nezvacontent yatinokanda, please kusubscribe nekulike also nekushare nekucomment pamavideos. Saka nyaya, let's get into each story of today. Sangana inayo.
Hello guys, ndofuka muri kuziva nyaya iri kutendera, nyaya iri kupisa yamadam boss. Ezvinezvi vari kunzi vada kuendeswa kucourt negirlfriend raMhofela. So heading yedu yakanzi madam boss ordered to appear in court for assaulting Mhofela's mistress. Kurewachi small house, girlfriend handisi kuziva kuti ezvinezvi Mhofela vari kumuti chii. Nyaya yacho yakamira so. Once Chitungwiza Magistrate Court has ordered popular comedian Madam Boss to appear before a judge following alleged violence that erupted at her Seke home. Madam Boss, real name Tarisai Chikocho, allegedly clashed with her husband's mistress who had been residing at their Seke home without her knowledge. H Metro revealed that Madam Boss assaulted Evangelista Zhou, took her mobile phone and deleted all the photographs of her husband and lover. As a result, Evangelista approached the court seeking a peace order against Madam Boss. Their case is expected to be heard next Tuesday at Chitungwiza Magistrates Court, according to the documents. Meanwhile, Madam Boss reportedly retrieved her Mercedes-Benz car that she had gifted her husband Ngoni Munetsiwa. She also now selling their Seke home. Ngoni has, however, promised the Evangelista alternative accommodation in WhatsApp messages seen by local tabloid. Ndakutengesa stand iyoyo ndiite zvimwe totsvaga pamwe pekuti ugare pane mvura reads part of messages sent by Ngoni to Evangelista. In her reply, Evangelista urged Ngoni to be strong, but try to be strong. Ngoni, ndinoziva wakaremerwa, tese takaremerwa, but iwe ukadaro ndozoita sei? Munoita zvakakusunungikirai henyu macho here ari kuida. One of the Ngoni sisters revealed that Ngoni failed to swallow his pride, which may have settled the dispute. I hope Ngoni will come to his senses and swallow his pride and seek forgiveness. Madam Boss is loving and had been a family pillar of strength, and we cannot allow the devil to wreck his marriage. Ngoni made a mistake of stopping law to bed Evangelista, overlooking Madam Boss' family position, motherhood, and international status. We will not tolerate Evangelista at all, and that is why we wanted her to be evicted from the house. Ngoni failed us as a family.